Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today I have a very exciting video because I have partnered with FabFitFun and I'm going to be unboxing their spring subscription box with you guys, and I'm super excited because this is going to be my first time unboxing one of their subscription boxes. Everything that I'm going to be showing you guys is actually my real opinion, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what's included with the FabFitFun box, which is actually a pretty interesting subscription box. What they do is they only do seasonal subscription boxes and they give you full-size products for you to try. I know you guys are familiar with subscription boxes. They usually give you little samples of everything. Let's go ahead and get started with unboxing my first package from them, and then just trying out some of the products with you guys and seeing what I think about each little package that I got in this box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. Alright you guys, so as I mentioned, this is my first FabFitFun box. So we are going to go ahead and unbox and open up this package together to see what we got in store. On first glance, it definitely feels really heavy and it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. The first thing that I see, we have a FabFitFun editorial magazine. Yeah, it looks like a magazine. We have a what's in the box. The total retail of what's in the box is between $276 and $295. And then in addition, they also give you $10 off your first box. So if you guys use my code Nikki, which I will be leaving a link in the description if you guys are interested, you can get $10 off your first box with FabFitFun. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Ooh, I'm already seeing Tarte. Oh my god, y'all, this is for real full-size products. Okay, so the first thing I see, we got the Spongiel French Lavender Beyond Cleansing. It's a body wash infused buffer. We also got my Tagalong's Hot and Cold Gel Pack. Oh, this is good. This is for your aches and pains. It says Ice Ice Baby. It's getting hot in here. Oh, and then we got, oh, this is so cute. We have a sleeping mask, underestimated leather. Oh, it's leather too. We have a glossy lip paint from Tarte. Tarte is really good too. And in addition, we also have another lip paint from Tarte. So we also got Kate's Somerville Skin Health Expert Exfoliate Kate. This is an intensive exfoliating treatment. I love exfoliating, so I'm definitely interested in trying this product out for sure. Oh, this is really good. The Brigio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've been seeing a lot of this on Instagram lately, especially with like curly girl Instagram pages. I've been seeing this brand a lot, so I'm actually really excited about trying this out. And it's really interesting because a lot of these products, they do retail between that $20 and $30-$40 range, and for the fact that you're getting all of these products for $49.99 is really dope. Oh, this is so cute. Aisha Curry Meals by Aisha Curry homemade ceramic mug. You can never have enough adorable mugs, right? That's very, very true. Problem with mugs in my home though, Tony, he uses them. He uses and abuses my mugs. Oh, I'd rather be in bed. So cute. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so the last item that we have here, it looks like we have a bag. It's Summer and Rose. It's a Summer and Rose bag. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little tote bag. We're gonna go ahead and look at what's in the bag and what the retail price of all these items are. And this actually retails for $16. This retails for $15. The Spongiel Body Wash Infused Buffer, this actually retails for $16. Just in 3 products, you're already getting way more for your money. For the eye mask, this is actually a lot more expensive than I thought it would be. It actually retails for $40. This mask alone retails for $40. I already know how much makeup costs, and makeup costs a lot of money. These 2 little lip paints together, they retail for $40. This alone right here, you guys, retails for $75. Wow, this stuff better work. And then you guys, we have the Brigio Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This actually retails for $30. And yeah, I'm definitely excited about trying this on now because I've seen it a lot on Instagram and on social media pages. So this is definitely something I want to try out on my curls. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all the items that we got on this spring subscription box. I definitely think that there's a lot of good options for me to try out. I'm definitely excited about trying this buffer, the deep conditioning mask, even this eye mask right here. This seems pretty interesting. And also this one right here, since it's $75, I definitely want to try that, the exfoliating treatment. Again, you guys, if you guys are interested in getting a box for yourself, testing it out, go ahead and sign up. It's $39.99 if you use my code Nikki for your first box, and again, that's $10 off. From my opinion, from the products that I just received, I really appreciate full-size products. For the amount of money that you're paying and for the amount of items that you're getting, it's definitely worth it. Hey guys, let's go ahead and get started with trying out these products. Let's do it. So I'm about to get ready to try out both of these products for the first time. I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm first going to try out the body wash infused buffer. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. So when you open up the buffer, you'll see that it's shaped as a flower. It smells really good, you guys. It has like a lavender floral scent, but it's not super strong. I hate super strong floral scents. Directions say to place the sponge under water, squeeze to observe, massage in circular motion to cleanse. And I'm also going to cleanse my skin, and then we're going to try out this intensive exfoliating treatment from Somerville, which apparently retails for $75. So we're definitely going to test this out as well. From the first touch, it actually feels pretty soft. You can see there's definitely like some soapy contents in the sponge. So now we're gonna go in with the Somerville intensive exfoliating treatment. Apply a thin layer to a clean wet face, massaging in circular motion for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. I personally think that's enough. As you can see, it's like a green texture. So next we're gonna go ahead and try the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Please be sure to cleanse your hair. I did already shampoo. I didn't put any conditioner on yet, so we're gonna go ahead and try this product out. I'm gonna squeeze it out. This consistency, or like the feeling of it, is kind of like lotion in my opinion. Alright guys, so here are the final results after using the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I did actually like this mask a lot. It does have a blend of avocado, sweet almond, and argan oils, essential B5, and biotin, which I really do love. I love taking biotin. If you guys didn't know, I have been taking Hairfinity. That's why my hair and my roots have been growing so much. After using this product, I definitely think this is going to be something that I'm going to be adding in my curly hair routine at least once or twice a month. I did do this after shampooing. So basically after shampooing, I put this mask on, and as you guys saw, my hair is super soft right now. As far as like the texture of the mask, it actually feels more like lotion, like regular lotion, and even looks like lotion when you squeeze it out the tube. As far as the smell, it does have that lotiony smell too, but it also has like a tropical fruity smell as well. The other thing that I tried was the Somerville Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Now you guys, I'm the type of person, whenever I see a new product or like any samples or anything for me to try, I love going online and seeing people's personal reviews before I try it, or even while I'm trying it, just to get an idea of like what the product does, what kind of benefits is going on for different people, the results for different people. I saw a lot of great reviews on this product online. I saw a lot of people loved it, that they saw a huge difference. Me personally, when I first put it on, it did feel a little tingly, which it does say on the box. After I rinsed it off after 2 minutes, I did see my skin tighten a little bit. The following morning, my face was a little bit red and flushed, but that is normal as well. The product they give you is a 2 ounces bottle. If you look at this on Sephora, it does retail for $85 on their website. And even like the body wash infused buffer, I did really like this. Definitely use this again, but I would probably use it as like a travel essential, or even like for tanning essentials. Like if I'm about to go tan outside, just exfoliate my skin really quickly. The other product that I really really fell in love with was this cooling eye mask. It's really awesome to sleep with. I slept with it for like 2 or 3 nights in a row. When I tell you I had the craziest dreams while wearing this mask, I don't know, like I felt like it was just super dark. Like I couldn't, there's like literally no light peeking through. And on top of that, you put it in the freezer, it cools your eyes. I actually have like this new eye cream that I bought that I've been putting under my eyes, so the combination for me like worked wonders. Those were my top favorite items in the box. Then of course we do still have the Tarte lip glosses as well. Me personally, I'm not a big fan of glossy lip gloss. Okay, so I just put the Tarte lip paint in Salty on, and for me, like, this is actually really nude. However, these two products, I feel like I'm still gonna have to continue trying out to see if I really like them or not, because this is my first time trying them on and just feeling them on the lips. Overall, as far as like all the products, I am super happy. And again, you guys, if you guys are interested in trying this subscription box out, you can use my code Nikki to get $10 off your first box. If you don't like it after the first box, you know what, you can cancel it. And what's really great is you only have to pay for it 4 times a year. It is a seasonal box, so do not worry, you're not paying $39.99 and $49.99 monthly. It's not that way at all. It's only seasonally. You get 4 boxes a year and you get great products. And from my honest and personal opinion, you're definitely getting your money's worth. And again, I will be leaving links in the description if you guys are interested in subscribing to FabFitFun. In addition to that, I will also be leaving links to all the products as well to show you just an idea, give you an idea of what these retail for, or if you just want to try out that specific product on its own. I will be leaving those links in the description as well. And again, you guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. What the fuck am I?